This module focused on one of the most important topics in Arizona real estate transactions, the concept of liens and encumbrances, and their impact on ownership rights, title transfer, and disclosure obligations. Liens represent legal claims against property used to secure payment of a debt or performance of an obligation. They are recorded in the public record and must be satisfied before ownership can transfer free and clear. Liens are broadly categorized into voluntary and involuntary liens. Voluntary liens are those placed on the property with the owner's consent, such as a mortgage or deed of trust, where the property serves as collateral for a loan. These liens remain until the loan is fully paid and released through a deed of release and reconveyance or satisfaction of mortgage. Involuntary liens, by contrast, are imposed by law without the owner's consent. These include judgment liens, mechanics liens, and property tax liens. A judgment lien arises when a creditor records a court judgment against a property owner. A mechanics lien protects contractors, subcontractors, and suppliers who perform work or provide materials for property improvements but are not paid. These must be filed in strict compliance with ARS, paragraph 33-981, through paragraph 33-1008 to remain valid. Property tax liens, governed by ARS, paragraph 42-173, take the highest priority, giving counties and municipalities the right to collect unpaid property taxes before any other creditor. Liens directly influence a property's marketability and transferability. A buyer cannot receive clear title until all recorded liens are satisfied, released, or subordinated. Therefore, identifying and resolving liens during escrow is essential to a successful closing. The module then examined a seller's legal responsibility regarding disclosure of property encumbrances. Under ARS, paragraph 32-1256, and ARS, paragraph 33-422, a seller must disclose all known material facts that could affect a buyer's decision to purchase, including liens, easements, unpaid assessments, or any encumbrance that may restrict ownership or use. These disclosures are typically made through the seller's property disclosure statement, SPDS, which serves as a comprehensive record of property conditions and known encumbrances. Failure to disclose can result in contract rescission, civil liability, and disciplinary action by the Arizona Department of Real Estate, ADRA-E. Arizona case law, such as Hill v. Jones, 1986, reinforces that non-disclosure of material facts, including hidden encumbrances, constitutes misrepresentation by omission, even if unintentional. Similarly, the Commissioner's Rule R428-1101A obligates licensees to disclose all known material facts to all parties, ensuring transparency and consumer protection. Finally, the module detailed the process of clearing liens and encumbrances during escrow, where escrow officers and title companies play a crucial role in resolving all recorded debts and claims. Once a property is under contract, the escrow company issues a preliminary title report that lists all liens and encumbrances. The escrow officer then works with the lender, creditors, or governmental agencies to obtain payoff demands and ensure all debts are settled before recording the new deed. Mortgage lines are released through a deed of reconveyance. Unpaid taxes are remitted to the county, and mechanics or judgment lines are resolved through direct payoff or lien release filings. In complex cases, such as when lion holders cannot be located or disputes arise, a quiet title action under ARS paragraph 12-1101 may be necessary to clear title. The escrow process ensures that funds are held in trust until all encumbrances are satisfied, protecting both buyer and seller while ensuring the issuance of a clear title policy upon closing. In summary, Arizona law distinguishes between voluntary and involuntary liens, each carrying distinct recording and enforcement requirements. Sellers are legally obligated to disclose all known encumbrances that could impact ownership or title. Escrow officers ensure that liens are satisfied or released prior to closing, allowing title to transfer free of claims. Failure to disclose or resolve encumbrances can delay closing, invalidate the sale, or expose parties to legal action. By understanding the nature of liens, disclosure responsibilities, and escrow procedures for clearing encumbrances, real estate professionals can better protect their clients and ensure legally sound transactions. Supporting sources and key case law. Arizona Revised Statutes. Paragraph 33, 801 Erasiquillo. Deeds of Trust and Lien Procedures. Arizona Revised Statutes. Paragraph 33, 981 through paragraph 33, 2008. Mechanics Liens. Arizona Revised Statutes. Paragraph 42, 170, 153. Property Tax Lines. Arizona Revised Statutes. Paragraph 32, 2156 and paragraph 33, 422. Seller's Disclosure Requirements. Arizona Administrative Code. R4 28 1101A. Duties of Real Estate Licensees. Hill v. Jones, 151 Arizona 81. Caneps, 1986. Duty to disclose material facts in Ara Estate of Bone, 251 Arizona 523, 2021. Escrow and lien satisfaction responsibilities.